Luxury gifts by color palette. Green. Luxury matcher. The place to find luxury for people in your life. Green gifts. Let us start this color palette gift series with green. Green symbolizes good health, healing, and balance. Balance between the mind and body. A feeling of peace and harmony. Green is the color of nature, growth, freshness, energy, and fertility. It signifies new beginnings, hope, and renewal. Green is the perfect place to start. Luxury that is simple and functional is this Montblanc ballpoint pen. Inspired by sleek and simple elegance, this lightweight writing instrument has a platinum-coated clip and a deep green precious resin barrel and cap weighing only 16.5 grams. Talk about an ideal way to write in style. Montblanc is a respected brand and makes a perfect gift that lasts forever. Mans Hermes nail polish is a beautiful green color and is definitely chic for your stylish friend or special someone. Deep, intense, and radiant, this tartan green looks gorgeous on the digits and easily matches outfits of any color. Its fluid texture leaves a smooth film on the nails because of its ultra-fine pigments. These come in 24 colors, but tartan green is our favorite as a green luxury gift. L'Objet Lito Vide Poche porcelain tray is made of Limoges porcelain with 24-karat gold plating, a perfect and fitting spot to drop jewels. And since it is made with exceptional materials, this can last for generations. Another perfect sentimental gift to pass on to daughters for them to cherish for years. As we always say, jewels are a perfect gift. It radiates elegance, timeless beauty, and perfection. This Graff emerald is one we will not miss on this list. Graff is renowned for the quality of its emeralds, creating high jewelry featuring only the most beautiful emeralds on earth. A gift of emerald is just as symbolic of love as the passionate ruby, but it alludes more to a faithful and eternal devotion than just momentary lust. Next is the Meteor Alpha High Seas glasses. Handcrafted by artisans from mouth-blown lead-free crystal glass in Vienna, Austria, the material is resilient yet delicate-looking and gives the series its elegance. Perfect as a wedding gift, it is also for any occasion, especially for those who love a little touch of green. Another on the jewelry list is the Loki Chromatopia green locket. Aside from its luxurious look, this locket is something you can personalize. It can serve as a love letter written in charms to your soulmate, sister, best friend, or even to yourself. What more can you ask for? You can never go wrong with this as a special gift. This is made of 14-karat solid gold and 1/3 of a carat emerald, and it can be loaded with 5 charms. A one-of-a-kind sophistication that is literally a charming gift. If you are looking for a gift that can be useful, this Loki's Chroma standing floor lamp is an elegant, unconventional choice. It has a powerful light and dim-to-warm functions. From home to apartment to hotels and getaways, this product is suitable for any environment. Despite its slim frame, the light output is powerful and casts a wide array of light. It is 6 feet tall, has a conical base with a sleekness that almost disappears as it diffuses a soft, rising glow. Let us know which green gift you like so far. At number 8, Bottega Veneta monochromatic acetate cat eye sunglasses offer luxury and beauty that says it all. Light, stylish, and fashionable. We bet when you give her this gift, she just might wrap her arms around you to show you how much she adores her new look. Number 9 on our list is something typical yet very romantic. Try giving preserved emerald roses from the Million Roses. Designed in a handcrafted luxury quality soft touch box, 12 to 15 stems of green preserved roses have a perfectly placed gold rose in the center and last from 1 to 3 years. Who wouldn't want to receive a box of preserved roses? Flowers may be a common gift, but women always have this longing to be gifted with them. Roses hold such power that they can speak for us in times when we do not know what to say. So for your unspoken message of love that needs to be said, say it better with roses. Rounding out our list at number 10 is this Wolf Zoe round travel jewelry case. Zoe is sophisticated, playful, and romantic. Add it to your travel accessories with the elegant floral embroidery and jewel-toned velvet. Its storage has a convenient mirror hidden in a fold-out zip compartment, a removable earring holder with 5 earring holes, and a zip pouch. The luster lock fabric lining absorbs gases to keep it from tarnishing. Green is truly a great start to our color palette gift series. Stay tuned because more colors are coming your way. Luxury Matcher is here to provide you with gift ideas for all the people in your life. Join us again in our quest to match you with all the luxurious frills. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share our channel. Give us your comments and suggestions. Let us know what you think. Until next time, thank you for watching.